Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. Good morning everyone. I'm here to record another video because I was requested by Dr. Tubugan on how to check Google Classroom students' output. So first, we'll go to our Google Classroom and we have to choose which of these will we check. I prefer to check the B.Ed 1A's midterm exam. So we'll just choose the B.Ed 1A midterm exam and we can choose this one. Okay, it's good to know that many of my students, actually all of them, already passed the performance task given to them, and that's great. Okay, let's just choose this one, the midterm exam. And in this exam, I asked the students to make their own problems, which we have discussed from week 1 to week 8. So they're asked to make problems and they have to show their solutions and their answer. They have the template given that they have to use black background in the PowerPoint, and then they can only use green and white color for the font. So in order to check this one, all you need to do is to take a look at the right top of the screen, and you have seen there a pencil like button. Just tick on it and you're good to go. You can choose whether to use this marker. Why it is not working? Because okay, you can choose whether that's marker or this pencil or this pen or this one, and you can also use the erasers. I want to choose this pen and I'll be using the yellow color because it matches with the black background. You can choose the tip of the pencil, whether it's the smallest, the medium size, or the biggest. Usually I just use the medium size. Okay, in checking this one, we can just do that. That's too big, right? So we can, if you don't like that one, you can just erase. Just stick on the eraser and do it again. Then choose which tip of the pencil you like to use. If you want to use this one, then you can have that. That's a lot better. So Lei is preparing dinner plates. She has 5 pieces of chicken and 15 rolls. If she wants to make all the plates identical without any food left over, what is the greatest number of plates Lei can prepare? So that's a great problem. And she used 2 ways in solving this problem: the listing method and the continuous division method. Oops, she missed to have this one. Okay, that's not really a big deal. Okay, so her answer were all correct, and if you get wrong, then you can just do undo the one, the arrow here at the top, the left side. If redo, then do that. If undo, then do this. Okay, then okay, I think this is all correct. So, and go to the next page. Therefore, the greatest number of plates Ray can prepare is 5. And this is her answer, so she will get 5 points for this. And you may just write the score 5. Next, you can move to the next set. And next one. There's a lot for me to check in each student, but this is their midterm exam. Okay. And don't forget, Ma'am Joy, to save. If you're saving it, it will save into another file. So if you see here, it is another file. It is already labeled automatically by Google as edited midterm MTH206 Espejo PED 1A PDF. And you're good to go. If you want to give the grade, then you can write the grade there. And that's it. That's so easy for us to follow. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!